Hi friends, welcome to Laxmice 31. I'm Sai Lakshmi. Hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about FINDNTH function in Tableau. Let's get started. FINDNTH function returns the position of nth occurrence of substring within the specified string, where n is defined by the occurrence argument. Syntax is right below. Find nth of string, comma, substring, comma, occurrence. So we need to pass three arguments within find nth function to get the occurrence position of the substring. So if you observe here, we have three arguments: string, comma, substring, comma, occurrence. So string is nothing but the string will be passing in, and substring is nothing but the characters or the string we are passing to compare with the string and find whether the substring is available or not. And occurrence is nothing but how many times the substring has been repeated in the string and to get the position of that particular occurrence of the substring. So let me explain clearly with an example. Let's see the example now. In FINDNTH function, FINDNTH of calculation, comma, a, comma, 2. Calculation is nothing but the string, a is nothing but the substring, 2 is nothing but occurrence. So we have a available 2 times in calculation string. That's why in the second occurrence, we got the position 7. That's why we got the result 7. So let me open Tableau desktop and show how to use FINDNTH function in Tableau. I have opened Tableau desktop application and I have taken sample superstore data and I have created a new sheet and renamed it as FINDNTH function in Tableau. Let me create a calculated field. So I am clicking on the drop down button right beneath the data source and I have a create calculated option over here. I'm clicking on that. So I'm typing for FINDNTH. So as soon as I type FINDNTH, I can see the function available over here. I'm clicking on the FINDNTH function. So as soon as I click on the FINDNTH function, the FINDNTH function has been highlighted and I can see the syntax and the description along with an example. So let me take the same example and replicate here and let's figure out what happens. So I'm going to pass calculation, comma, a, comma, 2. I am renaming the calculation as FINDNTH. So if you observe here, calculation is the string, a is the substring and 2 is the occurrence. So we should be getting 7 as a result because A is in second position and again A is in the seventh position. So we have given the occurrence as 2. Occurrence is nothing but of times the substring has been repeated within a string. So let's check what it's going to display for us. So since it returns number, it is in green color because it's a measure. Let me bring this measure to text mark. So since it's a measure, automatically an aggregation operation will be performed on top of that. To avoid that, I'm converting this to dimension. So now it's giving us 7. So let me duplicate this sheet and explain FINDNTH function using a scenario. Let me remove this calculation. And I'm taking category column to explain with a scenario. Now I have brought in category column to row cell. So if you observe, U is available in 2 records over here. So we have only 3 records in category column. That's why I've taken it because it is easy to compare and understand the result as well. U is repeated in furniture twice. And in office supplies, we have only once. And in technology, there is nothing. So let me understand by create a calculated field. I am typing find length of category, comma, I am passing the substring u, comma, 2. I am renaming the calculation field as find and test. I'm clicking on OK. Now let me bring FINDNTH test to text. Let me convert it to dimension and discrete. So if you observe, U has been repeated twice and we wanted second occurrence. That's why we got the position 7 because second U is at the 7th position. And if you observe, for office supplies it has returned 0 because U is available only once in office supplies and we have provided to display second occurrence only. So since there is no second occurrence, we got 0. And in the third record, there is no U character at all or U substring at all. That's why we got 0. So if I change, let me edit this calculation and change the occurrence from 2 to 1. So if you observe here, in for office supplies, you got the position as 9 because for office supplies U is available only once. That's why and it is available at ninth position. That's why we got the position 9. So this is how you can use a FINDNTH function and interpret in Tableau.
Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.